basic mathematics. Yes, which is preparation for teachers' recruitment examination, placement examination, promotion examination, even a student aptitude test, and the basic external examinations, and so on. Now, look at the questions we have on the board. Number one says factorize 12xy plus 15y squared. So in solving this quickly, simply means you have 12xy plus 15y squared. You look for the HCF, that's the highest common factor that can go into these two expressions or terms. So the factor is 3 can divide 12 and divide 15. So, but we have xy here and y squared here. So 3y is the HCF. Therefore, 3y bracket open. 3y is HCF because 3 can divide this, and y can divide y here, divide y squared. Then 3 divide 12, we have what? 4. Y divide xy, we have only x left. Here, 3 divide 15, have 5. Y divide y squared, we have y left. Because it's like saying y times y over y. This cancels this. So that is it. So remaining y. Then, so this is our answer. Go to the options. That's number A. Number A option. That's our answer. That's number A. Okay? So this is the answer. Then for number 2. Number 2 says simplify. Simplify. We are given 40 plus 5 times 30 minus 22 plus 9. Very simple. By board mass, we evaluate the brackets. 40 plus 5 gives us 45. And 30 minus 22 gives us 8. So 45 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. We write 0, carry 4. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 4. That's 36. So we have 360 plus the 9 here. 9. Remember to put the 9 at the unit, not at the tens here. Understand? So they have here 0 minus 9 cannot go. Put 1. We are adding. 0 plus 9 have 9. Bring down 6. Bring down 3. That is 369. That is option D is the correct answer. Very simple. Then let's look at number 3. We are asked to evaluate 15 squared minus 13 squared. Yes. So 15 squared minus 13 squared. So there is a short form for working this without suffering yourself to find 15 times 15 and after you do 13 times 13. We call it difference of squares. So simply look at this. If we have a squared minus b squared, it simply means a plus b into a minus b. So let's use this knowledge now here. This becomes 15 plus 13, you see it, minus 13, 15 plus 13 into, look at this, into 15 minus 13. So see what we did now. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This is bracket, there's no sign in between. And this means multiplication. So this is a simple way of solving difference of squares without suffering yourself to do 15 times 15 after you do 13 times 13. That is it. Okay. This is applicable for minus. Yes, then when you have minus here. That's why we say difference. Now 15 plus this will give us 28, of course. Then into 15 minus this is what? 2. Can you see it? 15 plus this will give us 28. Then 15 minus 13 is 2. So let's look at this. There we have 28 times 2. 2 times 8 will give us 16. Right, 6 carry 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 56. So you see what we obtain here. So our answer here is 56. If you do the expression of you have if you do the expression of 15 times 15 and also go into 13 times 13, we'll still get the same answer because 15 times 15 will give you about 225. So minus 13 times 13 will give about 169. When you subtract it, you also arrive at the same answer. Okay, good. So we have our answer. We have 56 as our answer. Then our answer is C here. C, 56. Good. Because if you check it out, let's check it out. If you check it out and do, or look at this. If you did 15 times 15 square is 15 times 15. And of course, 15 times 15 will give you 225. You can check with your calculator. And also, you look at 13 square is 13 times 13. That will give you 169. You can confirm it with your calculator. So when you now do 225 minus 169, then 5 minus 6, you carry 1, put here, 15 minus 9. 5 minus 9, sorry. 15, carry 1, put 15 minus 9 is 6. You are left with what here? 1. 1 minus 6, you cannot go. You put 1 here because what? 11. 11 minus 6 is what? 5. You are remaining with 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you have this answer confirmed. You can see that this is the simple way of working that. So our answer is what? 56. Okay, let's go to this one. Share 24 oranges to Obi and what? Ada. Share 24 oranges to Obi and Ada in the ratio of 3:5. And we are asked to find Ada's share. So very simple. For ratio, what you need to do, number 4, what you need to do there is you get the total ratio. We have 3:5, which by total is 3 plus 5 is what? 8. That's the whole sum. Then we come to the total of, we are sharing 24 oranges. Therefore, 24 oranges. We are sharing 24 oranges. So we now have, for Ada's share, according to the ratio, Obi and Ada, ratio goes by sequence. The first person has the first ratio, the second person, the second ratio. And that continues. As we have the third person, that person will have the third ratio accordingly or respectively. So in this case, Ada's ratio is 5 because Ada is mentioned as the second person, which means Ada's portion will be 5 over total ratio 8 times total item over 1. So 8 divided itself is 1. 8 divided 24 gives you 3. 3 times 5 is what? 15. So Ada will get 15 oranges, which is option C, correct. So assume we are asked to find Obi's portion. Obi's portion or share will be 3 over 8 times 24 over 1. And you believe with me that 8 divided 24 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Of course, 9 plus 15 will also give you that 24 as the total. Okay, number 5. Number 5 question says, find the perimeter of this shape. And this is rectangle because you have the length and the breadth, which have different sizes. So by virtue of the dimension or the sides, we know that it is a rectangle. Had it been that the sides are equal, it becomes a square. Good. So for the perimeter of a rectangle is P is equal to 2 bracket length plus width, or length plus breadth. That's the perimeter of a rectangle. It is different from area. Area of a rectangle is length and breadth, but the perimeter is 2 bracket length plus what? Breadth. So you should know the difference. Of course, in my tutorial videos there, I have treated areas and perimeter of plane shapes. Okay, which is equal to our P now is equal to 2 bracket. Our length is 9. 9 plus our breadth is 6, which is equal to 2 bracket 9 plus 6 is 15. And that implies 2 times 15 is what? 30. This bracket means multiplication. 30 is the answer. So our answer to the question is what? A, 30 cm. Remember, the unit of perimeter is centimeter because it simply means distance around the shape, the boundary of the shape. That's the perimeter. So if here is 9, here is 9. If here is 6, here is 6. When you add them together, it will still give you this. That's why we say 2 times the dimensions given. Good. but area has to do with what the surface can contain or cover the surface. Thank you. Then for more of these tutorials or for under private arrangement, you can reach out to me through my contact line here. You can WhatsApp me or give me a call. Then with this, I believe you are now being equipped to tackle similar model questions in external examinations for your recruitment exams, like teachers recruitment test, that is people are preparing for now, as well as aptitude test. Then to keep being tutored on mathematics and physics, continue following me on this YouTube channel. Scroll down and watch more tutorial videos already uploaded. Then subscribe to this channel for free and click on the notification button so you'll be informed each time I upload new videos. Do not forget to share. You can drop your comment and questions on the comment box. Then you can follow me on my Facebook page at Joseph A. Nwosu and Geonoting online class to keep enjoying mathematics and physics and other sciences and necessary updates in education